Hello everyone, so this is the summary of the poem The Little Black Boy by William Blake. This poem was published in the volume Songs of Innocence in 1789. In this poem, the poet is critical of the issues of racial discrimination and slavery prevalent in English society of the time. At that time, Negro boys were employed as servants in the houses of white people. They had to face a lot of racial discrimination. In this poem, Blake is trying to comfort the black child through his mother not to hate the color of his skin. So the speaker of the poem is a little Negro boy, and he says that his mother gave birth to him in South Africa, surrounded by wild forests, and he knows the color of his skin. He is aware of the racial discrimination, and that's why he says the color of his skin is black, and he says that his soul is fair and white, like an angel. Okay, and here English child is also compared with angel because English child is loved and adored by everyone because of the color of his skin. And that's why this Negro child feels sad and disappointed, and he says that the color of his skin is black, and as if he is deprived of light, as if he is denied of light provided by God, or he is deprived of God's grace. So his mother is trying to comfort this child. Okay, they are sitting under a tree, okay, in the heat of the day, and she placed him on her lap and kissed him, and she asked him to look at east and to see the sunrise. And his mother says that God lives there and showers his light and provides heat to all creatures of nature, like flowers, trees, beasts, man. Okay, so all objects of nature receive uh, you know comfort from the heat and light which is provided by God. And then his mother says that we are here on this earth for a short period of time because our real home is heaven. Okay, so our stay on this earth is temporary, is for a short period of time, that we may learn to bear the beams of love. Now his mother says that we are here on this earth so that we can learn to bear the heat which is provided to us by God, and which symbolizes love of God for us. Okay, and these black bodies and this sunburnt face is but a cloud. Now his mother says these black bodies and these sunburnt faces are just like clouds, okay, and just like a dark forest. And then she said, then when our souls will learn to bear the heat, okay, which is provided to us by God, then this cloud will disappear. Okay, they will be deprived of their bodies and after their death, and they will listen to God's voice. Okay, they will hear God's voice, and God will invite them in heaven and will shower his love and care upon them. Okay, and will ask this little Negro child to play around his golden throne like lambs. Okay, so here this child is compared to lamb because this child is also innocent and humble like lamb. And then he says, then his mother kissed him, and then this little Negro child says to the English boy that when he from his black body and white child from his white body will be free, then they will play with each other around God's throne like lambs. Okay, they will enjoy, they will play with each other. Obviously, they're not playing with each other, and there's a kind of discrimination between them. There's a kind of difference between them on this earth because white consider themselves to superior. Okay, so blacks are suffering from this inferiority complex. So here there's a lot of kind of distance between these two children. Okay, they cannot play with each other. Okay, and then he says that he will protect him from the heat because this little Negro child has learned to bear the heat of injustice and suffering, okay, on this earth. So he has become strong, but this heat, you know is not familiar to the white child who has all the privileges. So that's why he says that he will protect the white child until he learns to bear this heat. Okay, and then they will they will be loved by their father, okay, who is God. Okay, they will be happy there, they will enjoy each other's company. And then this black child will touch the silver white hair of the white child, and they will be similar, and there won't be any discrimination, there won't be any difference between them, and he will also be like him. Okay, and they will be treated equal there in heaven. There won't be any discrimination, and they will be treated equal, and they will love and enjoy each other's company.